Have you heard the good news? We've just increased our luggage allowance to at least 20 kilograms on all TUI package holidays when you fly with TUI Airways. So we invited a few of our colleagues to take on the TUI 20kg Luggage Challenge. They'll have 60 seconds to pack this suitcase as close to 20 kilograms as possible. And the prize? Absolutely nothing, just a bit of pride.
Okay,
these ones?
Shoes. Flats, don't forget these ones as well.
Clothes!
Oh my god,
Shoes!
Don't need that.
Not too, I think we've got some more.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, hat.
We might do some walking.
30 seconds.
Get in the pool, guys.
More shoes. Always space. Come on.
Oh my god, wait, do it.
Oh. Space for... No.
Okay, oh, no wait, we need to do it up. Right. How are we doing for time?
Sorry.
Done.
It's been quite heavy.
Is that frantic enough for you? Oh, it's quite heavy.
I'm like 15, that's why I'm always over.
Oh, sweet.
How do we show pack people?
It was quite heavy.
Button.
Get it, there's space for souvenirs.
Get me on
Let's
holiday.
go.
Woo!
We've weighed it and it comes in at 15.5 kg.
Not kidding.
I told you we could get more shoes in there.
You want to win?